new devices and upcoming devices. Was it yesterday? The iPhone 16 series iPhone leaked. So we got to first-hand look at what the new iPhone 16s are going to look like. This year the leaks came really early because I don't think it was until they were just released. The 15 series was just released in September, and it's been about maybe it's still early. I think last year we got it around March or April. I put a video out on it, so maybe I'll go back and look. But nonetheless, we got our first look at the iPhone 16. Not the 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max, but the 16 and 16 Plus will look like the device that we reported on yesterday. Today, we have a first-hand look at the new iPhone SE series. Yes, the SE, their affordable line of mobile phones. Phenomenal seller for Apple. They've sold millions and millions of these. Apple puts their flagship CPUs in this little tiny phone, and it is a small phone. If you remember, the iPhone SE is small. Now, this new one's not going to look like the old ones. If you remember, iPhone has gone to all screen. They did away with the home button. But their SE, as of 2022, which was the last one they released, still had a home button, right? It had the little, what is it called? It used to call it Touch ID or something. Well, this year, and I'll share the pictures here with you in a second. This year, they are totally doing away with the home button in with Touch ID. This year, it is full screen. Let's take a look at what the new iPhone SE looks like that will be released later this year. There it is. iPhone SE 2024? I think so. 2024 iPhone SE. Interesting. It will have the full display, and it will have the dynamic island, which is interesting. No notch, full dynamic island. It still has a pretty good sized bezel around here, right? But it does take on the design language of the iPhone 16 series. If you take a look at the iPhone 16, looks pretty similar to this back, except the SE only has one camera. On the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus, it'll have two cameras. Same layout as this. It'll just has one stacked on top of the other, but it will have basically a camera island on the back here with two sensors on the back, and it's pretty similar, right? So I don't know how big the screen is going to be. Let's see if it says how big the screen is going to be. Let's see. How big is the display? It does not say, but I'm assuming it's going to be pretty small. I'm assuming it's still going to be under 6 inches. I would think maybe, what was the size of the older, the 2022? It was like 4.5 inches, right? Let's see, iPhone SE 2022 screen size 4.7. So I think this will come in bigger than that. It'll probably come in like 5.5 inches, I bet, which will still be pretty small form factor. But interesting to see the new iPhone SE leaks are in full effect. So we'll keep an eye on this device and continue with updates. A launch date was not mentioned or leaked either, but I don't know when this will be coming out, but we will keep everybody posted and let you know when the next piece of news comes out. Not a lot of iPhone stuff here, but when news comes across the desk, we certainly keep everybody updated.